This is probably the heaviest amount of traffic I've seen on Route 1 near my house for the past like 2 hours. All those cars. And we're back to empty. The snow is almost up to my knees. From the grass where we haven't cleaned off yet, just so you can see how much snow is on top of one of our lights outside. It is still coming down hard. It is freezing out here. One of my neighbor's dogs came out. But don't know how much longer this will go on, but hopefully it'll stop soon. Very, very few snowplows I've made their way still to some of the neighborhood roads. We got plowed probably around like 5 a.m. last night, but we still have a good 2-3 inches of snow on the road again on our street. So looks like we're staying home, which is what everyone should do.